How to log in to Amazon account. So if you want to log in to Amazon account, then first of all open up a browser, any browser which you are comfortable with. And I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and now in the search bar you have to search for Amazon. And after searching, on the first search you will have www.amazon.com. You can click on that. And now if you want to log into your account, then you can go to the upper right corner which says sign in and click on that. And now to log in or to sign into your account, first you have to enter your email address, or you can also enter your mobile phone number. And after entering that, you can click on continue. But if you don't have an account and if you want to create an account, then you can click on create your Amazon account, and then you can create your account. But if you want to log in or if you want to sign in, then you can simply enter your email address or your phone number and then click on continue. And on the next step you have to enter your password, but if you forgot your password, then you will have forgot password option. You can simply click on forgot password and then you can reset your password. Or if you want to change your email address, then you can click on change right beside the email, and then you can change your email. But if you remember your password, then simply enter your password on this blank. And then if you want to keep your credentials, like if you want to save your information, then you can click here, keep me signed in. Or if you don't want to save your information, then don't click it. And after entering your password, you can click on sign in. And that's it. That's how you log in or sign into your Amazon account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.